today I'm going to show you inside one of our lovely Learn to Crochet boxes and start with an apology because it's so enormous I can't get it all in shot and still use my camera tripod, so I'm very sorry about that. But here's the outside of the box. Like I said, it's one of the larger size boxes that we do and it's filled with gorgeous things. So yours will be sealed, but I didn't want to break the seal on camera, it's awful. So here is what you will see when you open the tissue. To start with, we've got a larger size work in progress book, a WIP book. We had these but smaller in one of our past boxes, but these are very handy. You can put photos in there, keep a note of what you're making. Next up is the book itself. So this is the book where we've got all the information on how to crochet right from the beginning, holding your hook, how to do everything, lots and lots of step-by-step photographs, lots of information in there, everything we could think of really that you will need to start your crochet journey. And of course you can make the really beautiful bunting on the front using all the techniques. So that's a nice book, nice chunky book, lots of information in there. Don't forget, obviously we've got the videos to support that as well. What's next? Okay, so next up in this little spotty bag, which I shall open magically, we've got a set of crochet hooks. And they range in size from this green 2mm hook all the way up to the red 6mm hook. So what have we got? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 crochet hooks there, and I'm going to, just for now, stand them in the beautiful teal enamel mug that we've sent you as well, because you're going to want to have tea while you're learning, aren't you? So they're going to go in there for now and stand out the way. Next up we've got a darning needle, all important darning needle to sew the pesky ends in, and a wheel of pins. So if you need to hold things in place as you crochet them together, that's what you'll use for that. Gorgeous, gorgeous bonsai scissors, a larger size here in their own box, all neatly packed there. Super sharp, really easy to use. Whoops, there goes the camera again. Sorry, folks. What's next? Ah, yes, lovely. 4, they look like sweeties, but they're stitch markers with the more common sized hooks sizes on them. So if you're working on a project, you can hook one of these little stitch markers on. If you've not finished it, hook it on your last stitch and you'll know what size hook to use when you go back to it. So they're very clever. Gorgeous postcard designed for us by Jenny Maisels. Absolutely beautiful. I shall be putting that on the wall, obviously. This is lovely. This is a WIP, work in progress, little bag, a canvas bag for you to put your projects in as you work on them. This is made for us by the lovely folks at dearyou.com. Have a look at them. They've made some very beautiful accessories for crocheters and the like. Finally, although not finally at all because this is everything, is the yarn, and we've got 700-gram balls of yarn and colours. Must have, and it's super must have, so it's slightly thicker. Beautiful 100% mercerized cotton, which is what gives it that little sheen. Lovely rich colours, gorgeous colour saturation, really lovely to work with. We've really enjoyed working with this, and of course you can make the most beautiful projects. So that is our very gorgeous Learn to Crochet box.